This is a demonstration of the new OpenSeizureDetector PineTime Updater software app, which is used to transfer software onto the low-cost PineTime watch, so we can use it as a seizure detector. So what we have here is a PineTime watch which is running the default InfiniTime software, and we need to transfer the OpenSeizureDetector firmware onto it. So we'll open the OSD PineTime Updater app there. And when it starts, we've got two options. We've got select firmware and then select device. So first of all, we'll do select firmware, and what this will do is it'll contact the OpenSeizureDetector website and check what firmware is available and present us with a list. So we'll do select firmware. So there we've now got the list of the firmware. We either have the 0.7 OpenSeizureDetector PineTime firmware, which is the recommended one, or if we wanted to, we could also go back to the original InfiniTime software if we wanted to go back to it. Oops. So we'll do select the PineTime, the OpenSeizureDetector version, and it now just downloads it. And then we'll do select device, and it'll look for Bluetooth devices that are nearby. So for the first one I've got is the InfiniTime watch, which is right next to us. So we'll select that, and then we'll do start update, device firmware update DFU. So do start. First thing it does is it puts the watch into update mode, which is what we can see there, and then it's configuring the update, and then it will start to transfer the data. And we've got a progress bar there, which on both the app and on the watch, showing the progress. So this will take a couple of minutes, so we'll just wait for that to finish. Okay, so that's nearly finished now. So we're 95%. So the update will finish. The watch will then check to see whether it says it's okay or not. It says image okay, and it'll then the watch will then reboot. It'll take a while longer than usual, because once it's done the reboot, it has to transfer the image into the proper place on the watch. Meanwhile, the app has said DFU successful, so that's us finished with that app now. We're just waiting for the watch to reboot, which will take a few seconds. Yeah, and there the watch is rebooted, and you can see it's now showing that it's in the OpenSeizureDetector version of the app. We've got OpenSeizureDetector across the top, and it's also showing not started because it's not connected to the OpenSeizureDetector phone app yet. But that's the correct software onto the watch in about 3 minutes. So that's the purpose of the OpenSeizureDetector PineTime Updater app, to be able to put the correct software onto the PineTime watch. And then if you want to, you can also go back to the InfiniTime software if you want to. So that's the purpose of the app.